If you're in a point in your life and you're asking the question, what am I here to do? What's my purpose? How can I make a difference? How can I help? And I want to invite you to become an energy healer. It's something that you can do in 8 weeks, and it's the most satisfying job in the world. Job meaning to say you can get paid for it if you want to. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can do it pro bono. It doesn't matter. It's one of the most satisfying things to do, because when you're a healer, right, and you meet somebody that's in pain, and within that session you're learning, or within that session you know how to tap in and to scan and to see where they are blocked. Because typically when people are experiencing pain in their life and their goals are far away or far out of reach, typically they have energy blocks in their body. As a healer, you'll be able to tap in and tune in and see where those blocks are, right? And when you're able to remove those blocks, now that person's able to move forward in life. Now, what was impossible now becomes possible. Now, where there was pain, there's now comfort. All that and more happens when energy blocks are released. Because energy blocks, when they're in the body, they affect you mentally, they affect you emotionally, they affect you physically. It can be debilitating and disempowering living with energy blocks. As a matter of fact, energy blocks are dangerous in my mind because they're the invisible thing that nobody looks for, but it's the biggest thing stopping you from living the life that you want, right? As long as you carry them, it makes it impossible for you to get to where you want. So as an energy healer, you learn how to tune in, how to find these blocks, how to remove them, how to replace them with more abundance, more joy, more confident, more powerful, more peaceful, more calming energy. So now that person, whether it's you that you're doing a healing on, or the other person, feels better, shows up differently. They start experiencing life the way it's meant to be experienced, right? Because they have renewed energy. And that's what you learn in my upcoming 8-week energy healing certification program called Geo Love Healing. It's a powerful program. It's the same system that I've used. I've done over 30,000 plus energy healing sessions. You're gonna learn exactly how I do it. You're actually gonna receive healing from me as well, because I'm gonna remove the blocks that are stopping you from experiencing your ultimate ideal life, whatever it is that you want to experience, whether it's more joy, more love, more purpose, more abundance. I'll remove the blocks that are standing in the way of you becoming a healer, right? So you experience the healing firsthand from me. And then I teach you the system. I teach you, how do you do it? How do you find the blocks? How do you tune in? How do you remove it? How do you replace it with better energy? How do you do this in a way where you're not absorbing this stuff and you're not drained and tired at the end of the day? Because there is a system, right? And it's one where it doesn't matter if you don't think you can heal, you don't believe you're a healer, you're skeptical. All of this doesn't matter. Because when you learn the system and you use the system, even if you're skeptical as you're doing the system, the results will show up. And the results speak for themselves. So if you're feeling called to learn the system, to step into becoming a healer, because you can do it in 8 weeks. It doesn't matter if you have zero experience. 8 weeks is what it takes. It's a powerful experience. It's a certification process. So as you go through this, learn the system, right? Do some practice sessions that we have as part of the program. Towards the end of it all, you get a certificate in the mail. You become a Geo Love Healing certified practitioner after you've done all the requirements. And it's something that you can hang in your wall and you look at it, wow, it's pretty monumental, because that certificate changed my life, whether you're wanting to change your life. Or it can be something that you show other people as well, so that they know what you've learned and what modality you're practicing. But if it's something that's calling to you and you want to do more, you want to give more, you want to make a difference, and you want to learn the skill of how to transform somebody, even if you just meet them once, energy healing is a skill. This is probably the fastest way to learn it in a way that makes you confident, and you're competent with the skills in a way where you transform as you learn it, and in a way where you're not drained and you're empowered and fueled as you do it. It's an 8-week program, and it's one of the most powerful things you can do, whether you want to transform your life, the lives of loved ones, or you just want to make a difference. This is it. Okay, this is the fastest, most transformative process for learning energy healing, becoming a confident healer, stepping into your purpose work, and exploring the beauty of what life has to offer. So if you're interested, go ahead and apply now. Apply now to learn more about our upcoming 8-week energy healing certification program. Do it now, and I can't wait to see you in the program.